started Pet Plate because I was tired of seeing the subpar ingredients that were going into our dog's food. Our mission is simple: to make it easy for everyone to feed their dogs nutritious and healthy food.
You're worth it. You know you're worth it.
In the sky will show the reason why there's a brighter side.
Hi, I'm Sean Buckley. I'm the founder of Just Food for Dogs. We founded the company for people just like ourselves, people that want to treat their dogs like their family. That sounds like a slogan, sounds like a line. For us, it truly is the reason that we started the company. The single most important element in a dog's life, after he's found the love of his human, is his daily diet. That, more than anything else, will determine his health, his happiness, and even have an effect and an impact on his vet bills. All of the food that goes into our recipes is USDA certified for human consumption. The fruits, vegetables, most importantly, the protein, the meats. So if you see lamb or beef or turkey on a list for us, know that it's USDA certified for human consumption. I oftentimes will eat the food, try it, taste test it. There's nothing in it that you wouldn't feed your human family. And that was important to us. Our story really involves three components: cooked fresh, packaged frozen, and delivered to your door. The cooked fresh part is simple. We buy only USDA certified for human consumption ingredients that are then delivered to our kitchen and cooked gently into our recipes. After our food has been cooked, we add a nutritional blend of supplements and vitamins. It's custom made for us for each one of our recipes. It's not a one-size-fits-all, but rather a blend specific to each recipe. This is necessary because it's impossible for a dog, just like it's impossible for a human, to get all of the nutrients that you would need in a given day by eating food, which is why most doctors recommend a nutritional supplement or a multivitamin, something of that sort, for most humans, for most people.